Hey music family, it's Oz here from Ozzy's Music Academy. I'm coming at you today with some ukulele chord tutorials. These tutorials are going to set you up to play Count on Me by Bruno Mars, which uses 6 of the most popular chords for ukulele. Once you learn these 6 chords, you'll pretty much be able to play anything. For this video, we want to make sure that the head of our ukulele, where our tuners are, is on the left side. So make sure that it's sitting on this side for you. For me, it's going to be over here because this is my left hand. And then that way we know that our A string, which is our first string, is closest to our toes. Our ukulele is going to be tuned up already, which you will have done. And then our strumming patterns for today's songs, or for our strumming patterns for today's chords, are going to be as follows: down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So there's our strumming patterns for each one of these. So let's get started on our chords. Our next chord is E minor. E minor is yellow typically on all of my chord sheets. I also call this chord the stair step chord because when you get your fingers on there, it looks like a set of stairs because it just goes up one at a time. So if you take a look, we're going to start with our first finger on the first string. We're going to go down to the 2nd fret. Then we're going to take our middle finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret, and we're going to take our ring finger, and that's going to go 3rd string, 4th fret. Take a quick look at it one more time. Right up the stairs. Strumming ready, here we go. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. There's your E minor chord, so practice it, practice the strumming pattern, and then go make some music. This is Oz at Ozzy's Music Academy. A world with more music sounds beautiful. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, send this to friends, check out my Facebook page, Instagram, and Patreon. Thanks for joining. Peace.